Let's have a look at stocks with momentum which are setting up for a possible breakout, and if they break out, they're going to likely to make 8 to 20% move. The kind of candidate which you are looking for is basically like what Momo was yesterday. Like this was an anticipation setup uh, coming into yesterday, and then it had a breakout and the stock went up 8.70%. So that's the kind of setups which we are looking for, and in order to find them we start with stocks which have an established momentum. So some of the stocks which are setting up, I have 17 stocks in my watch list. Is Student Transaction Incorporated, STB. Then you have Cryo Life, which is going sideways. Stock has the momentum. This is the kind of setup which is an ideal setup. It had setups like this earlier where it made 10% moves, or like this is around 13% moves. So it's setting up. You have CLNE, which is going sideways. Then you have PES, Pioneer Energy Services Corporation. Now this is a very nice setup. First leg of the move has momentum, relatively young trend, and then if it breaks out, Healthway, it has been going sideways for a quite long period of time. So if it breaks out, it can make a big move. CVRR, again, like this is the first leg of the move where it went up around 65%. Now going sideways. DNOW, oil and gas equipment stock, again first leg of the move around 14%, going sideways. CATM Cardtronics, which is a credit card company, I think, again like going sideways. PAGP, which is again setting up very nicely. Stock also has momentum. FMSA, again oil and gas, you'll see a lot of oil and gas services stocks in this list because they are the one which are setting up very nicely. Fox Factory Holding, then you have Best Buy, which is setting up for a possible breakout. It will not be a it's not a very fast mover, so you don't expect a big moves out of these kind of stocks, but 5 to 6 7% can be possible. Zooms. Then you have Digital Globe, which is pulled back a little bit, not as good a setup as I would like, but yes, one of the stocks. Underco Petroleum, now this is a very nice setup. Then you have Lumber Liquidator, which is probably setting up, and then you have Baba, which is like one very nice setup, which is setting up ahead of earnings. So these are the stocks which are in the anticipation list, and hopefully, if we get good breakouts on them, then you can get in an early entry on them.